Welcome to a tour of Aerostar Global. Our mission is simple: to supply quality parts to our already growing U.S. customer base at a substantial cost savings. Do you buy castings, forgings, precision machining, stampings, gears, plastics, rubber? If so, we can help with our global sourcing solutions for engineered components. Aerostar represents 28 manufacturing facilities spread over the globe. Headquartered in the US, we are a one-stop shop for supplying our customers with highly engineered parts from our network of plants in India and other countries. Our facilities are IATF 16949, AS 9100, and ISO certified. We supply quality components like castings, forgings, machining, gears, stampings, and plastics and rubber parts at great savings to our customers, including many Fortune 500 companies. Our satisfied customers include industry leaders in automotive, aerospace, agriculture, truck, off-highway, power, food, oil and gas, and many others. Our Michigan facility manages worldwide operations and monitors all production and quality programs. From our U.S. headquarters, an IATF 16949 and AS 9100 certified facility, our highly trained sourcing, engineering, and quality operations staff serve our customers from the center of our global operation. Our Fort Wayne, Indiana plant manufactures low-volume, high-precision machined parts for our customers in the U.S. Global sourcing teams are based out of Pune and Bangalore in India and coordinate all supply chain services, including quoting, supplier quality, and logistics with our network of more than 25 manufacturing facilities based in India. Various manufacturing facilities in our network provide highly engineered parts for the US and the European customers at substantial cost savings. Parts from these facilities find their way into thousands of product lines in North America and Europe. We have become a partner of choice for many US and European OEMs for years. Our advantage is in providing US-based engineering, quality, warehousing, and logistics support with overseas manufacturing. Our customers enjoy US-based service with tremendous cost savings that come with overseas manufacturing. Let us take away all of your headaches that come with global sourcing and create a long-term relationship which other customers are already enjoying. In order to connect with our sales staff, email Ken Krasnodemski, Technical Sales Manager, at sales@aerostarmfg.com or 734-942-8440. You can also visit our website at www.aerostarmfg.com.